friends, so I'm getting started on my next project, and a lot of you know how excited I am to get started on it. So I wanted to show you the book that I'm starting with. I already took out the pages. What I've learned is when you do an altered book is to remove 6 pages and then glue the page before it and then the page after your 6-page removal together. So I have gone through this whole book and I've done that. I'm very pleased with how flat my pages came out, and kind of that's what I wanted to show you today. Was if we look at this, of course this is before any embellishing, this will change, but if we look at this, look how nicely, look how flat this is. I did something to help create that flatness. While it was drying, I took envelopes. I placed one in each page. I had just checked my mailbox, so I had a bunch of mail that I could stuff in here. And so at any rate, where each one of these, I'm going to show you these gaps again. I hope that's focusing in on it. Where each one of those gaps is, I placed the mail. You could use whatever you wanted to, at any rate, just something to take up the space. And then I closed it up overnight and let it sit. And today I removed all the mail, and you can see it's just so almost perfect. And I'm really happy about that. So I wanted to share that with you in case you've had the experience where your pages are a little wavier than you'd like them to be. I like them to be a little wavy. I love that texture, and I love the stiffness of it. It gives it a very, I don't know, organic textural feel, and I enjoy that. But I'm also very pleased with how flat these are and looking forward to embellishing them now. And of course the book will sit much higher, won't even close all the way once I get all the embellishments in. But this is a really great place to start, so I wanted to share it with you. Real quick, I just wanted to show you how I put the pages together. So I've got 8 pages, and I take out pages 2 to 7, and then decoupage, Mod Podge together pages 1 and 8. I use a very, very thin coating of Mod Podge, and here you can see me working my way up from the center out. And I use my hand, and then I use scissors, and that is to remove all air bubbles. The pages are all glued and dried now, and here is a view of the cover before I get started on changing it. When I removed the pages, I cut out all of the really nice pictures that were inside of it, and I will definitely be using these for a future project. Alright, let's get started on embellishing our front cover. I started by printing out a picture of caution tape. I'm going to go ahead and cut that to size real quick. I've decided I'd like to use this sheer yellow fabric, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that to size as well. As I'm working, I'm formulating my ideas, and I like the way this is coming together. I'm going to cut my print out with the decorative scissors, and then I'll go ahead and cut out this yellow and white paper to size. I will use sticky tack to glue these 2 pieces of paper together. Now it's time to glue our paper to our fabric, and I will use a fabric glue for that. Once I got the paper on there, I did hang this to dry. I just used a clothespin and I hung it to dry from something. That fabric tack is really, really a good glue, and I did not want to take any chances and have it dry to a piece of paper or something like that. Here's the view of the spine, and I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do with it, so I will begin by painting it red. Alright, our little cover piece is all dry, so now I'm going to set it on top of the book, kind of measure it out, see how I want it to be placed, and then I'm going to trim the extra material so there's none hanging over the edges. And now it's time to adhere it to the book, so I again will use the fabric glue. This stuff does dry pretty quickly, but it comes out kind of like jelly, and I'm going to use a paintbrush to spread it around. If you choose to do this, wash your paintbrush immediately when you are done, because this stuff dries so quick and it will gunk up your brush. Well, here is our finished cover. I hope you've enjoyed my video today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.